Journey room. Just relax. Take a few breaths in and out. And imagine yourself at your place to connect. Use your 5 senses to feel all around about your place. Add a new object to your place as it evolves as you do it. Just relax. In your place is a stairway. Whatever stairway, whether you want a round one or a ladder going to the clouds. It's not very high up, it's only a few steps. As you step on the ladder, each step you feel beautiful rainbow energy flowing through your body. Different colours as you move forward towards the big cloud. As you go through the clouds, you see a journey room. This can be like a cabin or whatever you perceive is a room. You have a door at the front. Take your time to open the door. Inside is many objects to help you with your senses. What I would like you to do is to stop the tape after each sense, get your message, make a note, and then start playing again. So first of all, as we open the door, we see a TV screen. If your image changes, it's fine. You can have a big 40-inch plasma, you can have an old TV. Your room is your room, and so I'd just like you to go with the flow. Switch the telly on and see what the message is on the TV. Then we move on, and you see on a table a notepad. This notepad you can do automatic writing on, so there may be a pen on the pad. If you get any messages come through or a single word, write it down on your pad. You could also have a blackboard instead and use a chalk and write down whatever words come into your head for automatic writing. Then in another part of the room there is a radio. Go over to the radio and tune it in so that you can hear the voices on the radio. They might give you a song which will have a message in, or there might be you can just hear the different channels as you're switching. Whatever you get is enough, and so do not concentrate. Just allow that sense of yours to open up. Then you see a window. The window has a curtain on it at the moment. We're going to open the curtain and look through. This is a link to the other world. So you may see faces, people, like they're walking along the street, and they may notice that you can see them and they can see you. So then don't be frightened if they come forward to speak to you. This is just the window to the other world and another way of communicating. Take your message down and put it to one side. Then you see in the corner flowers. This is for smell. Go up and smell the flowers. You might see the colours, or you might just get a smell straight away of your favourite flower or whatever flowers is in the room. Make a note of it and write it down. On one part of the wall you see a load of pictures of emotional stuff to feel. So this could be your life, or this could be just the messages. It could be of anything within the pictures that you can feel and empathize with. So just get the message from the pictures. On the other corner is a box full of fruit for tasting. Pick up your fruit and bite into the fruit as you feel your mouth watering and feel the taste of the fruit that you're tasting. Take a message and write it down. Then while you're standing in the room, you might just have a knowing of someone in the room behind you. You don't need to turn round. Use your senses to work out whether this person is a male or a female. Just a knowing that there is somebody is enough. This is your sixth sense of knowing that there's somebody there. Last but not least, merge all the senses together. So with the TV screen, the notepad, the blackboard or the radio, merge and become one with everything. The flowers, the pictures on the wall, the box full of fruit, the person in the room. Just feel your energies merging with everything in the room as you become one with the source. Feel connected to everything and just know that you can get a message as you connect with everything and feel one with everything, and make a note of your message. Each time, stop the tape. You can imagine yourself going out the back door, and then just imagine yourself back in the room at any time. You can imagine yourself opening the door if you feel drawn to that, or you can just go to the area where the particular item was. So a TV screen, you can just see yourself putting the TV on, or even have a wall with messages on. A lot of clairvoyance, see into walls and tables and floors and see images start to show. Use whatever you want. Some people had 1950s old-fashioned radio and old-fashioned songs. Don't be bothered what is in the room. Also remember, it might take a few goes of doing this, because some senses may not be open. And so when you've done it a few times, you'll start to see things, you'll start to hear things, you'll start to feel things. If certain senses are better than others, that's just the way it is at the moment. But what you can do is get your energy source, the energy that you feel will get you more connected and help you to open this sense. And that's the 7 senses then opened up, and will make it easier for you to receive messages in the future. So remember to get a message from each area, one word or an image or a feeling, and make a note of it. Thank you for sharing.